Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up a custom sound for media processing notifications on X app. If you've ever missed an important alert because the default sound just blended into the background, this quick update is going to change that for you. Let's get started step by step. First, open your phone and head straight to the settings menu. This is where we'll find all the tools we need to adjust notifications not just for X app, but for every app you have installed. Next, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps on your device. Find X app from that list and select it. Once you're inside the app settings, you'll see different options for managing permissions, storage, and notifications. Our focus is on notifications, so go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice there are different categories for how X app alerts you. To dig deeper into the customization, tap on Notification Categories. These categories are designed to give you extra control, allowing you to customize sounds, importance levels, and more for each type of notification the app sends. Now, locate the category labeled Media Processing. This is the specific area we want to adjust. Tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see several options related to how those notifications behave. Look for the sound option and tap it. At this point, you'll be able to choose from the sounds available on your device. You can stick with one of the system tones, or if your phone allows for it, pick a custom sound or ringtone that stands out to you. Once you've made your choice, confirm it, and the new sound will be set. From now on, whenever X app sends you a media processing notification, it will play the sound you've selected. This makes it easier to immediately recognize what type of alert is coming through, without even needing to pick up your phone. And that's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Taking just a minute to adjust this small detail can make your app experience much more personalized and convenient.